Local medical experts are on the same page with the panel's advice for caution in administering AstraZeneca's COVID-19 vaccine for older adults. On the conditional approval of Celltrion's antibody COVID-19 treatment, they remain divided. Eum Jiyoung provides a closer look.
Experts in South Korea have a similar view to that of the advisory panel, urging caution over administering AstraZeneca's COVID-19 vaccine to people older than 65. One expert says the reason why the Korean FDA committee postponed giving a decision is partly because many countries have decided not to allow its use on that age group.
For instance, Germany, France, Italy, Swiss, Austria, quite many countries has not allowed to use that kind of vaccine in the age 65 and above. That's why the Korean FDA is somewhat refrain from decision of using in elderly population.
Another expert also said it cannot be administered until it's clinically proven to be safe.
For AstraZeneca's case, they haven't produced any results for efficacy and safety. Well, they've made some safety issues, but for efficacy, they haven't made a results for people above 65 years of age. I believe many nations worldwide have postponed the use of AstraZeneca's vaccinations on people of elderly ages because of that issue.
Another expert says since the oldest patients have the highest risk of fatality and they are the first targets for protection, waiting longer for further data is the right way to go. Meanwhile, regarding South Korea conditionally approving Celltrion's COVID-19 treatment candidate, another expert says the data shows that it's safe, but the efficacy levels are not as convincing.
Monoclonal antibody treatments seem to work best when they're given very, very early on. The protocol, the study protocols, and also the clinical indications are still up in the air. And so that's why they cannot give it a full approval.
She added that her biggest concern is if the South Africa, UK, and the Brazil variants become dominant in Korea, there is a high chance that the Celltrion treatment will be ineffective. Eum Jiyoung, Arirang News.